Social media influencer Danielle Cohn is known to be a little controversial. Most people know her for her age scandal where she's allegedly pretending to be older than she really is. Well, now Danielle is in some hot water with her fans as they have accused her of blackfishing in one of her recent Instagram posts. What's going on, guys? I'm your host Bree Room and welcome back to IO. Danielle Cohn is in trouble with her fans again, but this time it's not her age people are mad about. In a recent post on her Instagram, Danielle looked to be gearing up for her next music video. In the photo, we see Danielle all made up and she looks pretty fire. Fans, though, aren't too happy about her appearance because many are saying that she's blackfishing. The argument here is that she's wearing makeup that is much darker than her natural skin tone and that she has her edges laid. People in the comments of her Instagram post are calling her out for her appearance, saying that she's darkening her skin to make herself look blacker and laying her edges to mimic what many black women do to their hair. Fans are calling it appropriation because of the double standard when black women style their hair like this versus white women. The idea here is that when black women lay their edges they get criticized for it, but when white women do it they're seen as classy or looking snatched. Basically, people are saying that it's a black thing and that Danielle is taking that away by styling her hair like that. Now the other side of this argument is that some people are saying that she's not trying to look black but more Latina in the photo. Some fans have called her look more Chicano, saying that she's modeling her appearance after the Mexican-American culture. The Chicano movement was a way of taking back Latin heritage and making it into something that resonates with Mexican Americans. She's been seen tanning her skin to be darker, dyeing her hair darker, and one fan even pointed out that she has sung in Spanish about how she's a Latina queen, so fans are now drawing these sort of connections with the photo. The bottom line here is that Danielle is being accused of being something that she's not. Whether it's blackfishing or not, Danielle is being seen by many of her fans as unauthentic, as she's trying to take aspects of non-white cultures to use for herself. If you look back on her old photos, you see a pale blonde Danielle who looks very different from what she looks like now, so this seems to have been building up for a while. Whether it's her makeup being darker or her tan or the way she styles her hair, fans are upset that they're seeing parts of other cultures being used in the way that it is. What do you guys think? Are the fans right about the accusations? Leave a comment about your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys next time. The argument here is that she's wearing makeup that is much darker than her natural skin tone. Basically, people are saying that Now the other side of this argument is that people are saying that she's Now the other side of this argument is that she's